5 facts about human brain fact. Number 1. The human brain contains around 100 billion neurons, which are responsible for receiving, processing, and transmitting information throughout the brain and body. Fact number 2. The human brain is one of the most energy-demanding organs in the body, consuming about 20% of the body's energy, despite accounting for only 2% of its weight. Fact number 3. The left and right hemispheres of the brain are responsible for different functions. The left hemisphere is associated with language and logical reasoning, while the right hemisphere is responsible for creativity and spatial awareness. Fact number 4. The human brain is capable of creating new neural connections and pathways throughout a person's life, a process known as neuroplasticity. This means that the brain can adapt and change in response to new experiences and learning. Fact number 5. The human brain has a structure called the hippocampus, which is responsible for forming and storing memories. The hippocampus is also important for spatial navigation, allowing us to navigate our environment and remember where things are located. Thanks for watching Facts Tech. Subscribe our channel for latest update.